Hey everybody, this is Dan with Learning to Smoke, and today I'm going to teach you how to tie a beef tenderloin, also known as a Chateaubriand. If your friends have a hard time understanding what you're talking about, just tell them it's a log full of filet mignon. We're going to take this butcher's twine, going to take some scissors, and we're going to go ahead and tie this up. And the reason you want to tie up a beef tenderloin is to keep it an even shape throughout. As you can see on this one right here, we do have some separation. I'll pull that up here. We have a little bit of separation here and here, and even if you flip it over, you will see right there as well. So what we're going to do is tie it up to try and keep it even shape throughout. All right, so with this beef tenderloin, I've got my butcher's twine, I've got my scissors. Just going to go ahead and start tying this up. So I'm going to start under here. On this side, about inch and a half down. Make sure I give myself enough slack. And go ahead and get that tied up. Then go ahead and loop that through. And there we go. Okay, so now I got this slack here. I'm just gonna go ahead and slice that up, or cut that off, I should say. Not slicing yet. Okay, now I'm gonna take this twine, gonna wrap it around my wrist like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this loop and put it under. Hold on, got my thumb wrapped there, whoops. Okay, go ahead and put that through. Just like that. I want to go about an inch down. Okay. There. Then same thing again, wrap it around, go under. You're getting the idea. It's actually kind of fun to do. Takes a little to get the hang of it, but man, it is fun to do. It's a little relaxing. Oops. And you just keep following this process all the way along. Like I say, you do about inch and a half down. This beef tenderloin is 12 inches long. So I guess just however long it takes, how much twine you need. Go ahead and doing that. Hopefully you can see on your end. Seems like my lines here are, let me adjust that a little bit. They're going more towards me, but anyway, go ahead and loop that through again. Look, we're halfway there, guys. Whoa, living on a prayer. So once again, you tie this up just to help try and keep the shape of the beef tenderloin. I want to make sure that it stays fairly even. It's also kind of fun to look at, take pictures of. If you're posting this on social media, make your friends, show your friends and make it look like you got mad skills. It's pretty easy to do. So yes, you do have mad skills. You got this. As you can see my, so I'm not getting the perfect lines here, but it's okay. All that matters is that it's getting tied up. Oh man, got a little lost there. Let's try that again. Actually, let's try and put all this back up here. Okay, go back down, all the way through. Almost done. Okay, I say let's give it one more. At this point, we can really just go over this way. That's what I should have been doing for the other half. Anyway, go here, and now you're going to want to tie this up. Now that you're at the very end. So go ahead and let's get our scissors out. Okay, make sure that's tight. Okay, we'll go ahead and make this a knot. And here you have it. Got yourself your beef tenderloin all tied up. Now the next step is to prep it.